Time to walk out. A lot of bugs right there. Oh, between the legs. A little 3-inch paddle tail here. Trying to catch some smallmouth. See. Might be a little too shallow here. That's what it was. Got another one. Small one, but still fun. Yeah. Yeah, but there's only room to upgrade from the last 7-incher. Okay, buddy. They fight hard in here. You have some of these.
What?
I've seen them in your bag. They're like, it's just a small paddle tail.
No, I have those, but the hooks are too big. I don't have them that big.
Yeah, I only have, what's it called? It was like my last jig head. I have like no jig heads that size.
Way too small, too.
Did you cast over here? Did you cast right here earlier? That looks like a good spot. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
What happened? Oh, nice. You'll get a tree pounder. I stopped tying this knot that I just tied before because one time I was fishing in downtown, right? And this dude was asking, I think I told you, this dude was asking us if we caught anything. And then I casted right when he said that, and my knot got caught in the eyelet of my rod, and then it hit him directly in the eye. And then he walks up and says, "No wonder." You gotta make a YouTube channel now. You can be like Dick Fishing. Hold up, watch out. All right. Clearly nothing right there wants to bite, so I guess let's just walk across and then we can walk down on the bank so we don't have to walk through more water. We can walk across here.
It's gonna be filled with snakes, and I don't really want it that.
The snakes won't bite you. Someone's bobber's right there. Whoa, that was a little fast. Just a tad fast.
You wanna walk? You wanna walk?
Huh?
You wanna walk up?
Yeah, we're gonna walk right through here. Well, we can walk up onto the road. We're gonna walk over here. Yeah, we'll walk up back. Unless you want to fish right, that looks good right here. Yeah. Hold on. Let's just fish up, like back up where we came. You know what I mean? Gotta just bring one rod next time. This is so It's like the worst bringing too. I guess we'll go to that Urbana spot. That'll probably be the closest time to say. Nice! Oh. From that got one, I thought it was going to be a little bigger.
Because I didn't even realize I had them all. I hooked him in the gill.
You need pliers? I got some in my bag. Just open it. They're in the middle. You'll see the loop. Oh shit, I just hit my rod. It's on the lanyard. Yeah. They're okay. They just look nice. I can probably get them right now. You don't want to like hold my rod?
You came off.
These ones are the most. Twitch, pause. Yeah, there's literally minnows chasing it. What? Oh, that was a bite. Let's go right back in there. Quality. There we go. That's a better one. Dude, these fish fight hard. Here, Cass, he's got a follower, I think. He's got a follower with him. Right in front of me, I think. No, he swam well off. These river smallmouth fight hard, man. Probably is, yeah. Not a... Nice, we're doubled up! That's a nice one. That's bigger than mine. Jeez, these hook good. There we go.
That's
Doubles
the best
action.
fish of the day.
Doubles action.
Here,
Fish bump.
you get your pliers.
Hold up.
Oh, he came off.
It's fine, we got a picture.
Oh, did you get on the camera?
I got it on the video, yeah.
I actually want to take that. Send me the footage.
Send you the footage.
That was good.
I told you you had a follower. And you find them stacked. They're usually stacked good. I figure this would be good, honestly.
Oh, it's cool.
Oh, I got another. Oh, I just lost one. And of course, he gets me tangled. So he started. I literally had him. And he started swimming towards me. What the? Alright, you guys go submerge for a second. Got one. Not a bad small, really small one, but healthy fish. Oh shoot! He just walked the camera. There we go. Not a bad one. Got low battery. He's all tangled. 6-incher. See ya. Got another one. Swim bait again. He absolutely choked it. Holy. Let go, buddy. Alright, there you go. This is why kayak will probably be pretty good here.